Yeah, I was wondering if you take 15 for all four.
I need to probably do 20.
World book, free. I don't know where to put them. Yeah. Some rollerblade with some wheels. It's an R2-D2 rocket. Oh, that's cool. Star Wars flying model rockets.
I guess I like model rockets.
Pork brew. Look, a costume, Eli. For Ghost. Medium is too small. Oh yeah, look at that. Got a little plush. Foam stickers. No.
They're cool though.
These remind me of my childhood.
Cool.
Old cards. $3 for the CDs. Cassettes are 50 cents. No. Microwave cookbook. Elijah, look. Some speakers, little air compressor. Gonna go get what?
Good morning, folks. Welcome. Good morning. No.
This is definitely a picture from somewhere.
Yeah.
I definitely. Well, no.
Why did she have you? Did she test your math?
No, I just know her. I think.
Really? Ask her. SpongeBob books. All right.
It was mine. We're gonna sell the whole rack. The rack goes with it. The rack
Good morning.
Morning. How's it going?
Good. How about yourself?
Good. You guys staying busy?
Yes.
Is this an espresso maker?
Yeah.
How's it work?
It has, I'll be honest, it hasn't been used since we moved, so probably in almost 3 years.
Yeah.
But it was working.
Okay.
I think as long as you have the grinder, you just get it in there. I don't think it grinds.
Okay.
I think it finishes.
Yeah, so you just put it already
Yep,
pre-ground.
right in the
Interesting.
Pod, but I think it's a fresh one, so you have the grinder. But by all means, you can take a peek if you're an espresso guy. I am.
Please check it all out.
So
You guys selling any video games?
No.
we're not. We were gonna, and we didn't know how the turnout would be.
Okay.
And then this. So hopefully we do another one next month. Y'all could have sold a bunch of yeah.
Would you take 5 for this?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey Elijah, they got costumes over here. Probably.
Even my size.
10 to 12, right?
12 to 14.
Oh, you're 12 to 14? True. Let me take this. Yeah, might fit, might not. Here you go.
Thank
$5.
you. Have a good
Have
one.
a great weekend,
Yeah,
man.
thank you. You too. Some boots. Those are cool. Those are all really cool. That Batmobile is sweet.
All yours, dude.
No, you get it. You're the car boy. You're the car man.
Hey, what is this?
This is a GoPro, backpack, and camera. So it's like if you're hiking or yard sailing or whatever it is you want to be like remembering in your future. How are you? How's the sale going?
It's going really well. I've done really good.
Yeah,
Yeah. First thing, 7 o'clock this morning.
really.
Been
Was it
working
okay to
seven.
pull through? Is that what people
yeah,
been
that's
doing?
fine.
Okay.
It's okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Were you selling any other video games?
Actually,
Or just the Wii Fit?
well, actually, this is the platform
Yeah.
thing, and the person, there's not. I don't have any games, and this is just the free. Actually, I'm trying to think if it's even in here. I wouldn't say I would. Actually, no, I've meant to take that out. But these are the numbnuts and all that stuff.
Oh, the nunchucks.
The actually.
The system. Someone bought the system.
I don't know what it is.
The Wii.
The actual Wii itself.
Oh, you lost the Wii itself.
Yeah,
Oh,
I don't know where
interesting.
it is. It might be somewhere in the house, but I can't find it. But this is the
That's the
that
Wii
thing.
Fit exercise
Wii Fit
thing, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's the game for that.
Well,
But I bet the
actually,
game's in the system.
It-
Probably, the game's in the system,
Probably
yeah.
is where it
Yeah.
might be.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll just,
How much would you want for just the little controllers?
$2.
$2 for each or the bag?
How many's in there?
There's two of the, well, it's two total. The nunchuck and the handhold thing.
It's $3.
$3? Okay, I'll do that.
How much is your fire truck and like this thing?
You can have both of them $4.
$3, here you go.
Okay, thank you.
You're not getting the Batmobile?
No, I feel
much
like
is
that's
Batmobile?
something that would be up your alley. You like
It is.
Batmobile.
$1 for the Batmobile?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
I do like Batmobile.
Oh, well, no. Well,
No, it's fine. You can keep it.
No, are you getting that? You're getting that one, right?
Yeah, these two.
Here, that goes with the Batmobile,
Oh,
but I don't know.
yeah, the hood. Yeah. Okay.
Look,
Burton snowboard boots. How much are your snowboard boots?
but I'll have to go ask.
Okay, yeah.
Do you open
I'm
the car?
curious on them. Yeah. Hey, it's nice to have the car so close to where we're shopping.
know.
I can never see the buttons. I mean, this is missing a lot of pieces, but it's still cool. Okay. Yeah, how much were the snowboard boots? $10? What is this?
Oh, that's like roof rack, like padding for roof rack.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
gotcha.
yeah,
You
yeah.
put it on. Okay.
Yeah.
So $10 for the boots, huh? Yeah, I'll take them. They comfortable?
Yeah, they're just too small.
$10. There you go.
Thank you.
Cool. Thank you. CB. How much is your jacket?
50-50. That one I would say $2.
$2?
Yeah.
Might come out. What do you think?
No.
I could try it. Yeah, I'll go for it. Try to wash it. There you go, man.
Okay, you want
How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
We're gonna be boring for this young fella.
Yeah, well, it happens. You know, it's hit or miss when it comes to yard sales as far as entertainment level for a child.
You drive a school bus? Or you just like that?
That's like, it's cool. Yeah, are you a school bus driver?
Yeah.
It's kind of a cool little cup.
Somebody gave that to me, which was nice, but
Yeah.
I need a bigger cup when I drink coffee.
Yeah, it's not gonna hold much fuel. Well,
Have you had any luck elsewhere?
yeah, it's been pretty good. Gotten some decent stuff.
It's always fun.
Yeah. Laminator Plus, huh?
That's an old laminator.
Yeah.
It still works. That's great. But I have no need for it anymore anytime soon.
How much you looking for on it?
$3.
Yeah, why not?
There's a couple of laminated, what I have left of laminated stuff.
Where's that?
In there.
Oh, is it? Okay.
A
Here's
couple laminated
$3.
folders. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
So they're in here.
Yeah, you can have it in a baggie.
Oh, I see them. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, cool.
All right,
All right.
thank you.
Thank you, guys. Good luck with the rest of your sale.
I feel like we had this at some point. It's just it's gone somewhere.
We had something similar. All right, Riordan. How much are your books?
We're doing like
You
two
don't know.
book kind of thing, but if it's a whole series, you know, different.
Make it
Gotcha. Gotcha.
We'd rather not bring them back.
And somehow we ended up with 2 of Peter and the Starcatchers,
Huh.
or Shadow,
Interesting.
Shadow Thieves, whatever it is. But yeah,
Okay. Would you do $10 on this series? $2 off?
I would.
Yeah. Do you happen to have a bag or no? If not, I can come
don't
back.
think I do.
I can come back. I'm gonna look around and.
Okay.
I have a
Oh,
bag.
she's got one.
Oh, you
Okay.
do? Marie's got a bag. Here you go.
Because my car's
You
right
can
here.
still come back if you like. We can put it in the bag.
Do you have change for 20? 10 back?
I do.
So there's one book that's not in that series, but it's still by the same author, so we just kind of put it all together.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I've read most of these, not all of
And
them.
then also, we have the Percy Jackson series of the same author.
Yep.
Hunger Games.
Oh yeah, I see them. Lightning. I was trying to find them.
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
trying to
I
find
see
them
'em.
too.
They're
I love
these.
Percy
They're
Jackson,
like
I really
the worn ones. Yeah.
like the well loved.
The well loved. Well, they're good books too.
This is pretty heavy.
All right, I
Hopefully
got it.
it'll be all right.
I'll work out.
Okay.
All right,
Thanks,
thank
you
you.
guys.
Yeah. Oh, there you go, Elijah. Aragon series that I always tell you should read.
Dude, I just don't want to leave it.
Maybe I'll be having more yards.
Toilet seat. How's it going?
Well, how are you doing today?
Pretty warm over here.
Hey, that bag on your back needs something else to put in it.
Yeah, I can put this in it actually. That's a big kite, huh?
Yes.
Wow.
My wife made me put it out here.
Hey. So all you do then is when I ask you the price, you say $100. Then you know, no one bought it. No one bought it, honey. I don't know. How much are you selling that for?
It's worth $5.
I think it is worth $5. It's got all the pieces and stuff.
It's got all these.
I'll do $5 for
I
it.
used to drive my Rottweiler crazy with it at the beach. I would dive down that and he would just go nuts.
That's probably the best place to fly.
So, all
$5. There
right,
you go.
thank you, sir. You have a good day.
Thank you. It's overwhelming, all this stuff. Riordan and Fields. Oh, no worries. I didn't realize you were still transacting.
okay.
Yeah, I was wondering if you take 15 for all four.
I need to probably do 20
You
because
do?
they're like each
Okay.
thing is at least 20 to.
Really?
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll do
They're
it.
usually. Thank you. I'm like I've got to get rid of them, but it kills me to put them out here.
They're all new, right? Like, you
Yes.
haven't even used them? Can I get a little
Haven't
bag?
been open. Of course.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, thank you so much for coming with me to those yard sales. Definitely had some really cool finds and some kind of fails with that coffee machine, and even the laminator doesn't sell very much. It may or may not ever sell. But got an awesome Batmobile, got Rodan and Fields. Always look out for Rodan and Fields, guys. You know, you can kind of see it here. Always good money. I mean, I've rarely found anything worth less than 20 from Rodan and Fields. I didn't know the exact value when I was making my offer of 15. 20 was totally fair now that I see that this one's worth 60 bucks. But I didn't know that. I figured it was like 20 bucks a piece, so I was trying to maximize my profits. Already sold those snow boots. I don't know. Bunch of great stuff. Write in the comments what you think my best find was today. And if you guys want to see me and Elijah get a bunch of really awesome items, check out this sale. It actually was like later in the day, but no one had really been there. So it was really cool.